Hello, we are live. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vidya. I'm a doctor by profession. I live and work in the UK, Isle of Man. I'm a gynecologist. I live here with my husband and two teenage boys. You all know people who are following my page, and today I have with me Regina Genti, whoever is following our pages. You all know that we keep coming on and off on this online platform to talk about our business, to spread awareness. And so more and more people come to know that we are doing something on the side along with our main jobs and hugely benefiting from it and saving so much of time and making a steady stream of income on our side. So, welcome everybody to our page. So happy to have all of you here. I have introduced myself. I have been in this business for the past six months or so, and I have Regina Genti with me, who is joining us also from the UK. She is a nurse manager working in Newcastle. Am I right, Regina?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm very happy to get Regina on my page today. Thank you so much for coming today evening and accepting my request on a very short notice. This was just very quick. So നമുക്ക് ഇന്ന് ബിസിനസ് കുറച്ചും കൂടി ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് മലയാളവും ഇംഗ്ലീഷും മിക്സ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം ഇന്ന്. അപ്പോൾ
Hi.
നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ഈ സൈഡ് ബിസിനസ് ആയിട്ട് ഒരു സൈഡ് ഹസിലായിട്ട് ഈ ഡിജിറ്റൽ ഓൺലൈൻ ബിസിനസ് ചെയ്യാറുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഐ വോണ്ട് ടു ആസ്ക് റെജിന, ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ സ്റ്റോറി കുറച്ച് പറയാം ബിഫോർ ഐ സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. ഞാൻ ഓൾറെഡി പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഐ ആം ഹിയർ ഇൻ ദ UK for 4.5 years. അതിന് മുമ്പ് ഐ വാസ് in Dubai working as a registrar in gynae and obstetrics in a government hospital. And before that, I'm a Tamilian from Palakkad, but we are settled in Hyderabad. So I have roots in different parts of the country. So I did my graduation and post graduation in Hyderabad. Then we moved to Dubai, where I worked for around 9 years, and now I'm in the UK for 4.5 to 5 years. I'm like a relatively new immigrant to the country, but Regina has been in UK for a very long time. So I might have reasons because I'm still new. I'm establishing myself. I came after COVID when mortgage rates were very high. Cost of living is just going very high up through the roof. My son, who's soon going to university, is going to pay international student fees. I'm so proud of his achievements. But yeah, as parents, we have a duty and responsibility. So I have different reasons why I was looking for a second stream of income when I stumbled into this beautiful, amazing platform. But the question is, I'm still a newbie. We are still settling. But Regina, who has been in the country for so many years, definitely much more longer than me, is also very happy on this platform. So let's go to Regina. Regina, please introduce yourself to our viewers. And my first question would obviously be, what was your why? Why did you think of a side hustle, and why do you think we all need a plan B, however stable our job is? Over to you, Regina.
Hi, thank you, Vidya. Thank you. It's a privilege to be in your page. I'm Regina. I'm an RN, an assistant nurse manager settled in UK more than 22 years. So, like Vidya asked me why we need a side hustle or something like to support our business. Job. There's many reasons to join this platform. So I was looking like, our profession is a bit stressed out. Sometimes it's even burned out with the work. So now I was looking for an early retirement. അങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് ഞാൻ ഓർത്ത് സംതിങ് എനിക്ക് എൻ്റെതായ രീതിയിൽ എനിക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. മാത്രമല്ല നമുക്ക് ജോലിയുടെ അവേഴ്സ് എനിക്ക് തോന്നി ഇങ്ങനെ പോയാൽ കുറെ എത്ര നാൾ ചെയ്താലും നമുക്ക് ഒരു നല്ലൊരു റിട്ടയർമെന്റ് പ്ലാൻ ഉണ്ടാകില്ല. So I need something different because the income which we get from our retirement plan will not be enough for us to live in this country because the expenses are going up and up. Okay. So not only that, I help some people to support their studies and things like that. So I need something extra to even support my families and everything. So I was looking for something which I can work from with along with my job. and I can work from home. So I was looking through many platforms which has which I need to go out and work. So this one I can work from my own space, my own time. I can utilize and I can earn from this platform. So I thought, okay, this is the right platform. Then I was watching this platform for like 2.5 years. Then I was quite skeptical too. So and then I took this decision and how made this like you paid a 149 to get into this platform. Then I have known to know about these potentials, and this is going definitely going to my change my life. So I have come to this platform and it's changing my life from there. I'm so glad, I'm proud about this decision which I have made. So it's an exciting opportunity. This is like a gold mine, I would say, and it's going to change whoever is coming to this platform. Is going to change your life if you have a coach, if you are a coachable and willingness to learn. This platform is definitely going to change your life. So I can say that's all from my small point of view, Vidya. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Regina. So, Regina pointed out a couple of things which I would like to highlight. She said she was thinking of early retirement and more time, and that is very true. When I started as a young obstetrician and gynecologist, I was very very enthusiastic, very happy to do all the risky labors and deliveries and all the cesareans, all the surgeries. And but at that time we were not what we were not realizing is we were losing out time with family and our children. But as we age, we understand the real importance or the real priorities in life. So this is not how we can keep going all the way. Regina was saying of retirement. Of course, we are all in the NHS. She is working as a nurse, I'm working as a doctor, and NHS pension is one of the best. But how long do we have to work to get that pension? And can we continue to work like this till that age is the question. And when it comes to state pension, നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം state pension is now 67 years of age. അപ്പോൾ 67 years age വരെ എനിക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ജോലി ചെയ്യാൻ മുക്കോ, ഇങ്ങനെ ഡ്യൂട്ടീസും ഷിഫ്റ്റ്സും ചെയ്തിട്ട്, even if I become I'm right now a senior registrar, but even if I become a consultant, will I be able to do it in, and am I really going in that line to be working till 67 years of age? That is the biggest question. Well, Regina and me and most people, many people like us might decide to work till that age. ബട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഒരു സൈഡ് സ്ട്രീം ഓഫ് ഇൻകം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ആ വർക്കിനെ റെസ്ട്രിക്ട് ചെയ്യാം, നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ അവേഴ്സ് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. We are all very passionate about our work, be it nursing or medical or doctor, whichever specialty or whatever work we are. But we can't be doing so much of extreme work just to get the salary and to pay our bills. So this is something very flexible which can go on the side with our new job. And we are not saying that it is like an overnight scheme that in a join ചെയ്താൽ നാളെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ഷിഫ്റ്റ്സ് ഡ്രോപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കും, നാളെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ബാങ്ക് ബാലൻസ് കൂടും, അങ്ങനെ that we are not promising anything like that. പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് പാരലലി അലോങ് വിത്ത് ആ ജോബ് ഒരു ഫ്ലെക്സിബിൾ ആയിട്ട് ഒരു ബിസിനസ് കൂടെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. വി ക്യാൻ ഡു ദാറ്റ്. ആൻഡ് ഓവർ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഫ്യൂ മന്ത്സ് ഓർ ഇയേഴ്സ്, ഡിപ്പെൻഡിങ് അപ്പോൺ അവർ എഫേർട്ട് ആൻഡ് ഡിപ്പെൻഡിങ് അപ്പോൺ ഗോഡ്സ് ഗ്രേസ്, ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ഗോ ഫോർവേഡ് ആൻഡ് വി ക്യാൻ ബിൽഡ് എ സോളിഡ് സ്ട്രീം ഓഫ് ഇൻകം അല്ലേ. സോ യാ, താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ ദാറ്റ് റെജിന. അപ്പോ ഇപ്പോൾ 6-7 months ആയിട്ട് റെജിന, ഐ ഡോണ്ട് നോ ഹൗ ലോങ് ഹാവ് യു ബീൻ ഇൻ ദ ബിസിനസ്? സോറി, ഐ മൈറ്റ് ബി റോങ്. ഹൗ ലോങ് ഹാവ് യു ബീൻ വിത്ത് us, Regina?
It's 11 month now.
Oh,
Month
11
11.
months, yeah. So tell me, if some of our viewers, many of our viewers would be watching, and as you said, some of them might be following as you were following or looking at it for 2.5 years before you took that decision. It is a difficult decision. So what do you think can make that decision easy? Would you like to talk about briefly about the steps and just about the $149 that we need to pay, and what is the benefit of that, like that it is refundable and things like that, just to highlight to our viewers?
Yeah, sure. I was looking for 1.5 year. Then I was looking at the people who is successfully running this business and
Yeah.
their income and everything. And then it gave me an excitement. Then I thought, okay, I was wasting that 2.5 years in my life. So I have made a decision. This is the right time. I cannot waste any more time. സോ അങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ ഡിസിഷൻ എടുത്ത് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം ചൂസ് ചെയ്തു. ഇതിലോട്ട് നമുക്ക് വരാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പം എന്നെ കാണുന്ന ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്, വ്യൂവേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഡോക്ടർ വിദ്യയെ കാണുന്ന വ്യൂവേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. അപ്പം ഞങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങനെ കാണുന്ന വ്യൂവേഴ്സ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരും ഇമെയിലും തന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിലൂടെ നിങ്ങളെ രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നേരിട്ടും രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. ഞങ്ങളുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റ് ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യാം. രജിസ്റ്റർ കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരു ബിസിനസിനെ കുറിച്ച് വിൽ ഗിവ് ആൻ ഓവർവ്യൂ like about 90 minutes video which you can get an idea about the business, some ideas. Then you can make sure whether you want to run this business or not. അങ്ങനെ ഓവർവ്യൂ കിട്ടിക്കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് റൺ ചെയ്യാൻ നിങ്ങൾ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അടുത്ത സ്റ്റെപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു 149 അടിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ you will get a full business plan and the company name, all the details and everything. So it's like 2.5 hours video. We will give a detailed plan. Then you can decide further about the what commission you want, how you want, where do you want to start, and things details about this. Then once you made you want to go ahead, മുമ്പോട്ട് പോകാൻ നിങ്ങൾ ആഗ്രഹിക്കും, you will have a coaching call. You can book from the link, or you can ask the person who you contacted. They can arrange a coaching call with the coach. Then they will give a detailed information what strategy you want to start and what kind of commission you're going to earn, what's going to change the best plan for you and things like that. Then once you made a coaching and you can decide to go ahead with the plan. So that is, then you will give us from there, once you done the processing, you will get a training site open for you, and then from there you will have a training. And if you are coming through me, I will be your coach, and I will be your mentor, and there will be a coach to support also. So there is a chance to grow as a mentor to coach level. Then from there you can earn extra income too. Also, then once you are in the platform, we will open the training site. It's a small video based training which are in several languages. It's going to be in Malayalam also soon, and at present we have in Tamil, Hindi, and everything. So you can learn, and also so many foreign languages also. If you are from a foreigner, there's a foreign language also. So you can go by step by step, and you can learn everything from the site. Once you've done everything training, you will start running the business. Then you use the social media. We will use the 7 social media to advertise in the platform. We are doing an affiliate marketing. We will affiliate with the company once you've done everything, and then we start the advertising. And depends on the company volume, we will get the income. And once you reach certain level of income with the company volume, we will have a pension plan too also. സോ അപ്പം പെൻഷൻ പ്ലാൻ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്ന ഒരു നല്ല, നമ്മുടെ ഭാവി സെക്യൂർ ആകാനുള്ള നല്ലൊരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റിയാണ്. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി നിങ്ങൾ ആരെങ്കിലും നോക്കുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ശരിക്കും ഇത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ലൈഫ് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒന്നാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത് എന്നെ പോലെ നിങ്ങൾ ടൈം വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാതെ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ ടൈമിൽ ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ ഒരു ഡിസിഷൻ എടുക്കുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ ടൈം വേസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാതെ നിങ്ങൾ ഇത് കൊടുക്കുന്ന എഫോർട്ട്, നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെ എത്ര പെട്ടെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ ഇത് പഠിച്ച് ഇംപ്ലിമെന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, നിങ്ങൾ എന്തുമാത്രം കോച്ചബിൾ ആണ്, നിങ്ങൾ എന്തുമാത്രം ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ മറ്റുള്ളവരെ ഹെൽപ്പ് കൂടെ ചെയ്യാണ്, മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ ലൈഫ് കൂടെ നമ്മൾ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റിയാണ്. അപ്പം ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റിക്ക് ഞങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞ ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പൊക്കെ ഫോളോ ചെയ്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലൈഫ് മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും. ഞങ്ങളുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഞങ്ങളുടെ പേജിലൂടെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഞങ്ങളുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റിലൂടെ വാട്സപ്പ് നമ്പർ ഉണ്ട്. ഇതിലൂടെയൊക്കെ ഞങ്ങളെ കോണ്ടാക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ദിസ് ഈസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു ചേഞ്ച് യുവർ ലൈഫ് definitely, if you are coachable and willingness to learn, and if you have some time to spend with this platform. Thank you, Dr. Vidya. I think I have answered your questions. If you want anything else, you can
Thank
ask
you.
me. I'm there
Thank
to
you,
help you.
Regina. So, yes, you have answered it. Yeah, you have answered it beautifully. You explained all the steps and you said about everything. So, first step is if you're interested, the first step is to think that you want a change. Come out, because it is very easy to be in your comfort zone and say, I am happy where I am. But look deep inside and just think, all of you who are watching, are you really okay with what you are doing, with your job, with your life, with your earnings, with your time, with everyone? If in any of these areas you think you want improvement, then this is the platform. So that is the first step. And then once you think you want to explore, at least then you register yourself with any of us, and then we will send you some information. Then for you to get the complete information on the company, product, commission strategies, different ways of earning, as Regina said, there is a payment of $149, which is completely refundable, 100% refundable. If you go through all the videos, understand, and then you say this is for you, Yahoo, very good, welcome to the platform, and we will be guiding you. If you're registering with me, I'll be your mentor. If you're registering with Regina, she'll be your mentor. And we all have a coach and a supportive community above us. But if you think that this is not your piece of cake, if you want to not your cup of tea, we are very happy to refund, and no questions asked, and 100% refund within 30 days. We also have a coach, as we said, who will actually able to strategize your business plan depending upon investment. Now we appreciate that not everyone will be able to invest at the same level, and not everyone is looking at similar returns from the business. So your investment can depend upon what you want to earn, and how far you want to go, and how much we can afford. And there are so many strategies and plans which our coaches will help to. And once you join the platform, the $149, which comes to around £110, it is an amount that you will spend just to go out for a meal. Yesterday we went out for a meal for Father's Day, and we spent around £100 for a family of four. It is just that amount, and which is refundable. So that amount will unlock a completely different world of possibilities for you. And after knowing all the business company secrets and everything, if you're not interested, it is refundable. So you have the best of both the worlds, actually. It's a win-win situation, no loss situation. And then it is also company policy, because many people who inquire, they stop at that 149 stage. And so I want to give a little gentle nudge and encourage people, because it is a company policy. There is nothing for us to question. It is not something that I have put a rule, or Regina has put, or anyone else. It is a company policy. Anyone who is genuinely interested, please come forward and pay. The money is not coming to our bank or our account, it goes to the company, and it will be refunded from the company. നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ഇവിടെ രജിസ്റ്റേർഡ് നേഴ്സസ്, രജിസ്റ്റേർഡ് ഡോക്ടേഴ്സ് വിത്ത് വാലിഡ് ലൈസൻസ് ടു പ്രാക്ടീസ്. നമ്മുടെ ജോലിയെ റിസ്ക് ചെയ്ത്, നമ്മുടെ ജോലി കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ബിസിനസ് ആരും ചെയ്യാറില്ല. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ വെരി വെരി ജെന്വൻ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം. അതിൽ പേടിക്കാനൊന്നുമില്ല. None of us are going to run away with the $149 that you are paying, but you will definitely get so much of information which will help you make your decision. നമ്മൾ മെഡിസിനിൽ എന്നും പറയും ഇൻഫോംഡ് ഡെസിഷൻ. അപ്പോൾ ഡെസിഷൻ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്തൊക്കെ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ വേണം, അതൊക്കെ അറിഞ്ഞിട്ട്, അതൊക്കെ ആഫ്റ്റർ യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്, then you can take the decision. So thank you for that. So one last question I will just ask you. We have discussed about why we are doing this business, why we thought of it, your reason, my reason, what are the steps, what is the importance of the $149. We can keep discussing a lot, but one question I will ask you, Regina, is what sort of support? അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക്, ഞാനൊരു ഡോക്ടർ, റെജിന ഒരു നേഴ്സ്, നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമിലെ IT professionals, നമ്മുടെ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ തന്നെ IT professionals, ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്, ഹെൽത്ത് കെയർ അസിസ്റ്റന്റ്, ഷെഫ്സ്, വേറെ നോൺ സ്പെസിഫിക് ഒത്തിരി പേര്, ബ്യൂട്ടി പാർലർ ഓണേഴ്സ്, ഒത്തിരി പേരുണ്ട്. യു നെയിം ഇറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ദേ ആർ ദേർ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആർക്കും ഈ marketing ഒരിക്കലും ഒരു അറിഞ്ഞ ഒരു ജോലിയല്ല. We have never heard, never done, or never thought in our life that we will do a marketing job അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ how do you think we will be able to do this? Just for any common person, what sort of support and training do we get about it, and how can we get into this? How can we tell ourselves that we will? But you were saying coachable na പറഞ്ഞാൽ, how will you coach? What is the support that the platform offers us in order to for us to learn and be able to take the business forward?
Of course, thank you, doctor. നമുക്ക് സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ട് നമ്മളെ there is a simple way of explaining. The training site is quite very easy and simple. Even a school child can understand this platform that much easy training. From there we will learn how to create an email or how to make a Facebook account, whatever account. In everything is from step by step we explained clearly explained. അത്രയായിട്ട് നമ്മളെ നല്ലതായിട്ട് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ മാത്രമല്ല നമുക്ക് ഒരു വാട്സപ്പ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഉണ്ട്, നമുക്ക് നല്ല സപ്പോർട്ടായിട്ടുള്ള ടീമുണ്ട്. നമ്മുടെ മെൻറ്റർ ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡോക്ടർ വിത്യോ നിങ്ങളുടെ മെൻറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും. അവർ നമുക്ക് ലൈഫ് ലോങ് ആയിട്ട് സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത്, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ കോച്ച് നമുക്ക് ചോദിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണ്. അവരുടെ സപ്പോർട്ട് നമുക്കുണ്ടായിരിക്കും. മാത്രമല്ല ഈ വാട്സപ്പ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ wherever you are, whichever world you are, even though I'm sleeping from US or France or Italy or German, Australia or India, even from anywhere, people will be awake during the day or while others are sleeping. They will answer your question from the WhatsApp group. Also, we have a weekly masterminds and daily training sections also. Also in a there is a separate training also available in each group. So these all the platform will uplift your knowledge and will guide you through the system, and which you can run easily this business. So like me, I was not a technical person. I don't even know what is really in some of the computer things. After this coming through this platform only, I have learned a lot and loads. Even I don't even know how, I was not even knowing how to edit a picture or anything. So these are the things. Everything is how to put a post and everything. It will teach you from the small, like a child. It will teach you. So we have got people from age at until 70s. They are successfully doing. So there is a we there is not like age. We are not saying there is a age limit which is start from 18. Above 18 anyone can run this business, but there is no age upper limit, I can say. Whoever is like, people can learn from this platform. The willingness to learn and adjust the situations with the time and everything. So you can succeed in this platform, because we have people 65, 70s, and they are successfully running. So we have role model to show you how we are running this platform. So that's all I can say, Dr. Vidya.
Yeah, thank you, Regina. So, like Regina said, it is like a business in a box, like we very popularly say in our platform. Like everything is pre-made, entire coaching, like teaching from ABCD to passing 10th board exams. Everything is taught from the beginning. We just have to be coachable, like willing to learn. So put in some time and effort for that initial learning phase, and then we just have to plug into the system, follow. There is already a blueprint that people have said. People are making and living a king's life by following. So if we do that, success cannot evade us. We will reach there eventually. It be only a matter of our time and effort, how much we put, isn't it? Yeah, so the training, there's a global support. We also have a within our small group, we have weekly sessions which brings in all the expertise of the people in our group, and there is a global platform. We can connect to any one of the business owners across the 40 countries, all the 200,000 people, and connect to them and ask a question. There are different platforms to connect apart from our WhatsApp group and the Facebook groups. And the training is provided for us to do actually social media marketing on all these 7 platforms, which can actually be used for any other sort of, the skills that you learn can be used for any other sort of business also. So it is taught for everything. Yeah. So I think we have covered most of the, at least the important bits that we wanted to cover today in our discussion. And I think we will stop it here today. Is that okay, Regina? Is there anything else that you want to highlight?
Um,
Um,
there is, I think we have covered most of the things. If anyone
yeah.
else has any question, they can
Yes.
come and we can reply
Yeah.
to you personally.
Yeah. So we would only like to say that you all keep watching us, but there's a lot of hesitation to take that first step. So please come forward and ask us the questions and take the first step and register yourself so you know what is going on, and then we can actually show you the way. It is for you to walk the way, it is for you to decide whether you want to walk away. It's a different path, it's a very comfortable path which will give you so much of cushioning, both in terms of money and time and freedom and individuality. So yeah, that's all we wanted to discuss today. Thank you so much for being with us today, and hope to see you all in our chat boxes sometime later for everyone who's watching us later. Thank you so much, Regina. Have a
Bye.
nice evening. Good evening. Bye.
Bye bye.